So I keep getting my ass beat on this one. I'm not even going to tell you guys about this one because it's not four-wheel drive. So here's what I am going to show you. The four-wheel drive one that I have for sale. It's an 87 Pioneer, long bed, full body and paint, topper, body matched. Spray and bed liner, Hanson rear bumper, Rocky Mountain, I think, rock sliders, Orfab front bumper, 10,000 pound worn winch, tow bar provisions, 33/12/5 on 17-inch Moabs. 1-ton steering, 4.5-inch TNT long arm with the belly pan. Axles have been gone through, chromoly shafts, ARB air lockers, ARB compressor, 410s, front and rear. Comanche Dana 44. It has a rear cut. It has a snorkel, safari snorkel. It's got vinyl floors. All the interior pieces are here. Needs headliner cloth. Dash is in good shape. Auxiliary wiring. Slider with the clip. As you can see under the hood. Bear with me, I'll see if I can get it open. Four-liter, 5-speed, part-time. 217,000 on the clock. I'm asking 15,000. I'm asking 9 for the red one. There you go. Later, boys.